Hello, so this is my Seesaw classroom, and I'm using this to represent my goal that was based off the ISTE Student Standard 2B Digital Citizen. Students engage in positive, safe, legal, and ethical behavior when using technology, including social networks online or when using network devices. So when a student replies back to an activity, their peers get to comment. As you can see, they can post things encouraging students in their classroom, and they can like the other students' posts also. And I feel like this is a great way to support student-student communication, and it also connects with the UDL Multiple Means of Engagement Guideline 8.3, sustaining effort and persistence, foster collaboration and community, encourages and supports opportunities for peer interactions